Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 5Z. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Get Started. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment method and different types of cards like loyalty card, gift card and transit. If you go to menu, you've got access to all payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization of Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you've got access to help and support, send feedback, and in the end, to your Google accounts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.